Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's another color inspiration for you for our next project, which is going to be another bracelet because they're kind of quick and easy and doesn't take as long as a necklace. And if you want to make a necklace, you can just follow suit and just do the same thing. And so here's what we're going to do with this. We're going to make one of these. Just made this one. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. So that's what we're going to do here. And so these beads are from Dee Dee's Deluxe Bead Box from September 2025. And if you don't subscribe, if you're not subscribed to this box, well, it's not a subscription. Let me correct myself. It's not a subscription. It's a monthly box. You have to go on there and get it, and before it runs out, because it runs out quick, let me tell you, an hour or two and it's gone. These are great boxes and I highly recommend. I'll link information below, but this is what we're going to use right here from the box. You get a lot more in the box, but I'm just going to use this for right now. I might, here's the rest of the box. Isn't this gorgeous? Some apatite, all kind of stuff in here. So this is not an unboxing, but I just wanted to show you anyway. But definitely you want to get this box. So what we're going to use here for now, and as I go along I'll see, I might add something to it or take something away. You know how it is when you're making jewelry. So what we have here is their designer check strand right here. You get one of those in each box and it's just gorgeous. Let's see if you can see that. Isn't it gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Look at those blue crystal beads on there. And I'm going to line it up on here right onto my wire. Right there, and add or take away what I think, but I doubt it. And here is 4mm natural matte apatite gemstones. Gorgeous. It's nice adding some matte with some shimmer in there. And what do we have here? We have some 10 by 8mm orchid sea sediment jasper beads. I'm going to be adding some of these on there, and I'm going to see if I can cap it off with some of these copper bead caps here. And again, I'm going to be mixing my metals. I'm going to be using some gold tone and some of this copper because I think it'll look really great, together. And then next here we have some 4mm electroplated magenta crystal rondelles. Very pretty, nice and bright. And 5, we have the 6 by 4 AB purple apatite crystal rondelles. So this is what I'm going to get started with, and I'm going to get everything else out I need. Let's see here. Got everything. Spacer beads, jump rings. I think I'm going to use this this clasp here. I really like this one. This clasp is from V-Bucks Bargains. And I'm going to have to get some more of these because I really like this one. So, and again, I can always change my mind as I go along. It's kind of like a wait and see process. Got these little gold spacer beads here. I'll be throwing some of those in the mix. Let's see what else. Just pull everything out you need. Your clamshells, your crimps. And we're gonna get started. So stay tuned, wait and see how this comes out, and I will be right back. Okay folks, we're back for the great reveal. This turned out so gorgeous. Color combinations from Dee Dee's box was just wonderful as always. And here we go. Are you ready? Give you a little sneak peek. Look at that. Look at that color. Is that gorgeous or what? I really outdid myself this time. It's just so pretty. And these work up really quickly because you have the colors, the color combination already worked out for you. Basically, when you get Dee Dee's box, look at this. I'm gonna try to get close up here. Look at the little charms. Aren't they cute? The cute little clasp. We layered. Look at that. We layered our metals on there. Spacers, bead caps. Got those layered. What else? Let me see, what else do I like? Oh, I like how I did these. Put a little spacer, no, it's a cap, bead cap there. Don't know if you can see that on there. Just the little things that make a big difference. So there you go, folks. So let me know if you want to see more of these. Love this color combination. Let me know if you want to see, you know, I mean, I'm going to do more regardless because you get hooked on them, you know. And I have so many kits, Dee Dee Beads Deluxe box, B-Box, that I have to use. I have like almost a year's worth. I'm not even kidding. So, so I'm going to do more of these. But let me know if you do want me to do more of these or not, or would you rather see something like, have you done a flat spiral yet? I already have a video on how to do this, but I can do another one if you want. Do you want to see it? Let me zoom out a little bit. Want to see a flat spiral? Gotta put something on that. Do you want to see more the crystal Russian spirals? I do these in all kind of color combinations. I've done a ton of these. What else? I do have some other things coming up. I'll just show you this right now. Some new designs coming up that I want to share with you. But right now, I'm going to glance through some of Dee Dee's deluxe boxes. I'm not going to do it's not going to be an unboxing. I'm just going to let you glance in a couple of mine so you can see, because these are one of the best boxes out there to get. So I highly suggest you get. It's not a subscription. You got to go there on the 12th of the month and get it. That's when they're on the website. So here's one color combination. This was November's, so I still have to make something with this. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm still gonna do something with that. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this was from last December 2024. I kind of, it's hard to see because a lot of it's like the white and gold. I think I used some of the things, but you can see that color combination in there, just beautiful. And I'll show you some more. Oh, I think I don't know if I can show that one yet. Hold on. I'm trying to get the full ones that I really haven't used yet. Gee, I don't know if I can show that one yet either. they like for you to show them a certain time after, so you don't ruin the reveal for everybody. Oh, I can't do this. This is January 2026. See, I told you I have a million boxes. Oh, this one I already used. Nothing much left of that. Wait, I got more. Okay. Oh, this was gorgeous. I used a lot of this, as you can see. That one. Let me see what else. Hold on. I know I got some good ones in here. It feels full. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. Don't remember what month this was, but you get the idea. Try another one here. Look at that. Wait. August 2025. But look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? So, there you go. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And it does, as you can tell. So I have a lot more to work with here. I got 6 other boxes other than the ones I just showed you here. So there you go, folks. Some inspiration. Get busy. What am I doing next? I don't know. But again, thank you for taking the time to watch. Let me know what you think here, because of course I think it's gorgeous. And I hope you give it a try. And let me know what you want to see. I also want to start doing these again. Hold on a second. I did this on a bead loom. I cannot tell you how many years old this is. This is so old. I did it on a bead loom many years ago. You can see, look at this. Let me get that, yeah, stitching there. I would never leave that like that now. And I probably wouldn't use these either because they break. But I want to do more of these. So pretty. I wore this years ago. I was getting a bus up to New York for Christmas, just for like the day or something, and I wore this on this hand, and you know, they play games on the bus, so I raised my hand to answer a question, and everybody went crazy over this bracelet. So needless to say, I had many orders of this bracelet, but this is a fun, I call it my celebration bracelet because that's what it looks like. So I want to do some more of these. I want to do so much. Gonna be busy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my Buy Me a Coffee link to help support my channel. That is it. So stay tuned for some more great color combinations. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.